How Dentists Remove Cavities, Complete 3D Animation Guide. Ever wondered what actually happens inside your mouth during a dental visit? In USA Dentistry and Canada Dental Care, millions of people undergo cavity removal every year, yet few understand the complex biology involved. Today, we use advanced 3D animation to take you inside the tooth to witness a professional dental procedure from the perspective of a surgeon. Tooth decay begins when bacteria produce acids that dissolve your enamel. This medical animation shows the progression of a lesion. Early cavity symptoms often manifest as tooth sensitivity to temperature or sugar. If you ignore these signs, the decay penetrates the dentin, making a professional cavity treatment unavoidable. Early detection during a routine dental checkup is the most effective form of root canal prevention. The cavity filling procedure starts with tooth decay removal. Your dentist uses high-precision instruments, a stage often referred to as tooth drilling, to clear away infected tissue. As we see in this tooth restoration sequence, the goal is to create a sterile environment for the dental filling. Unlike invasive oral surgery, this dental treatment is focused on preserving as much of your natural tooth care structure as possible. Once the cavity is prepped, a composite filling is applied. This specialized resin mimics the properties of your natural enamel. This dentistry technique not only restores the tooth's appearance, but also seals it against future bacteria. Proper dental hygiene and consistent oral health habits are your best defense. Following expert dental tips, such as daily flossing and using fluoride, ensures you keep your healthy teeth for a lifetime. Maintaining your oral health is a lifelong journey of dental care. If this 3D animation helped you understand the importance of your next dental visit, please subscribe to Health Science 3D. Leave a comment below if you've ever had a composite filling or have questions about tooth restoration. Stay proactive and keep your smile bright.